We're going to go ahead and do a demonstration of a weave. A weave can be consistent of 4 counts, 6, or 8, but we're going to go ahead and just do 4. And with a weave, the opposite direction of your foot that you start, you will always have to step forward. For example, if you're going to go to your left, you're going to start with the right, stepping in front of your left, like this. Here we go. With the right over left, left to the side, right behind, and left together. Again, here we go. Right, left, right, left. Now here we go with the count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do the opposite again. With your left foot, you're going to go ahead and go to your right. Left, right, left, right. Again with the count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this was a weave.